How to reopen Instagram photos already viewed on mobile. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to reopen Instagram photos already viewed on mobile. Watch the video till the end, and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. So launch Instagram app on your device and make sure to log into your account. So on Instagram, disappearing photos or videos sent via direct messages can typically be viewed once or twice depending on the sender's settings. After this, they become unavailable. So, if the sender chooses this option to send view once, the photo disappears after a single view. For that, you need to head towards Messenger icon at top right and open a chat where you have received photo. Currently, we are able to see each photo directly because there is no such settings of disappearing messages. But if there is, then you'll be able to view once or twice only. So, a possible trick to reopen photos if you have got search on your chats. That is, you need to prepare before viewing. You need to make sure that you enable airplane mode before opening the photo. This prevents the app from sending a view confirmation to the server. So, open the photo while in airplane mode and you need to take screenshots to save it. Simply, after that, you need to exit the app and uninstall Instagram, re-download and log in again to refresh your account data. Then you need to again go back to the chat and see if the image can be viewed again. So in conclusion, we can say that these methods might let you reopen disappearing photos temporarily, but keep in mind that Instagram disappearing message features designed for privacy. So, I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.